Hello, my friends. Today we are in a Sudoku Coach homepage and we are going to solve a funny, quick Sudoku game. Let's choose a vicious one this time. Okay, like always, I will fill the auto candidates and let's start filling our feelings. Okay. So in this block we have 5-3, 2-5-3, 2-5-3. It's a triple, naked triple. So 5-3 goes out. Here we have number 1. Okay, 5-3, 5-3, naked pair. So here we have a 2. From here and from here we take out the 5 and 3. It's like a story, like a song. From here we take out the 5. And now we have 8, 6, 9 naked triple in this block. Let's see, 8 from here, 8 from here, 8 from here. Take it out, 8 and 6 and 9. 6 and 9 doesn't repeat. What else do we have here? 1, 2, 5, 3, 1, 2, 5, 3, 2, 3, 5. Okay, 2, 3, 5, 5, 3. Let's see, at a simple glance, what do we have? 7, 5, 3, 7, 5, 6, no, 1, this, yeah, 3, 4, 5, 7, 3, 5, 7, 3, 5, 3, 4, 5. So this is a naked quadruple. This and this and this and this. So in this square we cannot have none of this 3, 4, 5, 7. So we take out the 3, 5, 7 and we are left with a 6. Let's fill it in. Perfect. Now what else can we observe? 7, 5. No. Oh, I don't see anything. 3, 5, 6, 2, 3, 5. Yeah. Huh? No. I thought we have. Yes, we do have here naked quadruple. So it's 2, 3, 4, 5. So it cannot be here 2, 3, 5. So we are left with an 8. Okay, what else? 1, 7, 5, 8, 1, 7, 5, 8. Nothing. 7, 5, 6. Yes, this is a naked triple. 5, 6, 7. So here we cannot have the 5 and 7, so we're left with a 4. Okay. 7, 5, 3, 5, 3. Naked triple in this block. So we cannot have a 5 in here, so we are left with a 6. We cannot have 5, 3 here, we are left with a 1. And 7, 5, 3, 7, 5. Let's pull in the notes. Let's start with 1. Nothing. 2. We have a hidden single here. What else? We have a hidden single here, here, and here, and 2 is out of our game. Okay, let's go to number 3. Number 3. I don't see anything in here. Here. 2. Okie nothing. At least I cannot see it now. Number 4. Single hidden. It's a 4. Single. Blum. Nothing. Let's move to number 5. We have a strong link here, but it doesn't help. So strong link. These are very important links. Strongling, it means you have only 2 candidates on a column or on a row, like here. So here we have locked candidates, so these 2 5s cannot be here. We take them out. Okay, what else? 7 5 3. We'll continue with the notes, but I am interrupted because on this row I can see we have 7 5 3, 7 5 3, 5 3, naked triple. So we cannot have the 7 and 3 here. We are left with 9. 9 9 9. 5 3 5 3 naked pair. So here we are left with a 7. Okay, 5 3. Where was I with the notes? I think at number 5. Let's see, it's something appears, but I don't see anything. Number 6, single. Okay, single, and 6 is out of the game. Let's go to number 7. We have 2. What can I see at the first glance? I don't see anything. Now I want to go over to 8 and 9, and after that we look thoroughly. So 8. Locked candidates, no help. Strong link between these two. For the moment, no help. Okay, but I can see an empty rectangle. So we have this shape pointing to a strong link, and their projection is this 8. We take it out, and now we are left with locked candidates. We take out this 8. And what else? Strong link, no help. Strong link. Okay, let's go to number 9. Locked. Okay, this points. No. Okay, now as usual we go back to number 1, because everything changes when you feel something along the way. So we go with number 1, hidden single, and number 1 is cleared. 5 3 5 3. I noticed this naked pair, so here we are left with a 7. Here we are left with an 8. 5 3 5 3 7 5 8. I don't see anything. 7 5 5 3 5 3. A lot of 5 3 in this puzzle. 7 5 3 7 5. Oh, 7 8 3 3 3 3 7 5. Okay, I will go back to the notes. Let's go with 3. So what do we have? We have this, but it doesn't help. We have this, no help. This here, no. It's a bit difficult, but we'll figure it out. Let's go to number 4. We have a single here. We have another single and another single. That's why I like to keep going back to the notes from 1 to 9. After each time I feel a candidate. 5 3 naked pair. Here we are left with a 9. 8 8 8 8 9. I won't say we finished it, because usually the big surprise is the difficulty comes at the end. 7 5 3 7 7 5. Okay, let's continue with the notes. I was at 3. I don't see anything obvious now. So this 2 with this 2, skyscraper, but doesn't help. This one here, I'll go to 5. Let's see now. Now. Okay, we have this, 5. I can see an X-wing. This with this and this and this. What is an X-wing? We have a strong link on this column formed by these two 5s, and we cannot have any other candidate on this column or on this line, on this row. So we can eliminate those two 5s. This 5, I will take it out. So 5 3 5 3 5 5. I took out this one. Let me go back to 5 5 3 5 3. Okay. So 5. Let's continue with 7. We have locked candidates. Take this out. This 7. Locked. Okay. I don't see anything. Okay, let's continue to 9. Nothing. Okay, I'll go back to 3. So, number 3. Skyscraper, but doesn't help. This with this. Yes, we have a skyscraper. What is a skyscraper? On this row, we have a strong link formed by these two 3, and on this row, we have another strong link formed by these two 3, and they are also linked on this column. Therefore, any we cannot have, where is it? This 3 here cannot be. So, no, go back, because I missed. I shouldn't have selected all of this. So, I'll go back one step. Sorry, where? Okay, 7. I missed. Yeah, here I made a mistake. So, this, where is it? Number 3. This 3 with this 3 and this 3 and this 3, they are forming a skyscraper, okay? On these two rows. Where between the two ends of the skyscraper we have a pointing candidate that it's common for these two, we can take it out. So this 3 goes out. I won't repeat the mistake. Only 3 goes out. Okay. Whew. Okay, so now let's continue with 3. Earlier I played with 3, 5. Oh my god, so many 5s. 7, 3, 5. Let's go to 7. Nothing obvious. 2, 7, 9. 9 doesn't help at all. Let me see without any notes. 7, 5, 3. 5, 3, 9. 5, 3, 9. 7, 5. 5, 3, 5, 3. Come on. No help? Anybody? Please? Help me. Au secours. 7 5 7 5 3 5 9. So we have only 3 5 7 and 9, 4 numbers left. My favorite type of Sudoku. Why my favorite? Because you start so easy and you finish very difficult. But usually I can solve them. I think here with 3 we should have something. Let me see. So this is a T shape, because an L shape. It's pointing here. No, pointing here. Yes, but we don't have an empty rectangle. Where else? Okay, this type. 3 3 3 3. We already took out this. And I could also take out this, and we are left with this 3. So here is a 3. Yeah, and that's from that skyscraper that we solved earlier partially, because now I forgot about this 3 here. And with one skyscraper the puzzle is solved, I think. 5, yeah. So that's it. How long did it take? 16 minutes. Let's say if I wouldn't be talking, it's like 12 minutes, maybe. I'm not bragging about. Okay, 5, 3, 5. So this puzzle was solved at the end with a skyscraper. They are very useful in solving more difficult puzzles. 7, 5, 3, 9, 7, 3. Yay! 16 minutes. So, guys, I will do more often this Sudoku puzzles. Hopefully you can understand my simple language. I don't want to start with ABC because you have better channels for this. It's a lady from what's her channel's name? Oh, Learn Something. Yeah, she is explaining very well what she's doing there. So, but you choose. If you want me to do ABC, I can do it, but that will involve a lot of drawing from me, not only talking. You know, you need to draw arrows, squares, colors, numbers, letters, blah blah. And that's a little drawback for me because I'm one-man band on this YouTube channel. As you can see on my channel, if you scroll, I try to do something else. I posted how I fixed my daughter's closet doors, how I isolated her, how I fixed her windows for the draft. I posted Rubik cube. I posted what else? I posted what else? I play also chess on chess.com. If you are interested in, I can post a live match. I will choose a 15 minutes or 30 minutes. I cannot play less than this, 5 minutes or 3 minutes like bullet. It's too rapid for me. Yeah, so this is it. Please leave a comment and subscribe to grow my beautiful channel. Bye bye. I love you all.